Today I'm unboxing and trying out this coffee bean grinder that I was sent to try out. Inside of the high quality storage case, you receive the instructions manual, a grinding size chart, a cleaning brush, the grinding handle, an extra grinder, and the high quality bean grinder that features a large capacity. To use, fill the top up with your coffee beans, attach the handle, then grind until smooth. Once fully ground, unscrew the bottom to get to the grounds. This grinder quickly and easily turns your coffee beans into perfectly sized coffee grounds in seconds.